If you are an architect using Revit, then I know your pain. You spend weeks designing a building and then spend days manually tagging, dimensioning, and placing viewports on sheets. It's boring, it's slow, and frankly, it is waste of talent. I got tired of doing so. So I taught myself how to code and I built this solution. Welcome to ArchiCode Suite. It is a custom Revit plugin designed to automate 70% of your job in just a few clicks. This video I'm going to divide into two parts. In the first part, I'm going to tell you about the magic of this tool, how you can generate like 15 sheets in less than 15 seconds. You can compose the sheets, you can manage all of your sheets from one tab, you can automate the dimensioning, tagging process. You can generate interior sheets in just few seconds. In the second part of the video, I'm going to show how to download and install this plugin. Stop drafting like a robot. Let's automate it. Let's dive in. If you want to skip to the section where I tell you how to download and install the plugin, you can. Once you are done with installing the plugin, you can see the ArchiCode Suite option on your Revit tab. Here, you can see you have 8 tools which will help you to automate most of your repetitive tasks. Let's check the first tool, which is Sheet Generator tool. This tool can help you generate any number of sheets you want of your existing levels, elevations, and sections. First, you'll select the sheet type, then you select the view template, then the views. Then you can set the starting number of sheet sequence with a prefix. Then click Generate Sheets. And boom, you are done. If you select a view which is already placed on the sheet, it will create the copy of the view and place it on a new sheet. Now you can go creative with this tool. You can create column setout or slab setout sheets with your view template. Let's try this for elevation now. We select the sheet, we select the view template, then the views. We edit the sheet sequence number and press generate. And as easy as that, the sheets are done. Let us have a look at the second tool of the plugin, the Sheet Composer tool. First, you select the sheet type, then you select the views you want on sheets. Then you choose the configuration of the view placement. You can set the sheet number and name. In the preview tab, you can readjust the viewport as per your liking. Then select create sheet and you are done. Let us try this tool for composing the room interior sheet. I select the viewports, set the configuration, see if I need any adjustment, press the create sheet button, and just like that, the sheet has been created. Let us discuss the third tool, the Sheet Manager tool. This tool helps you to manage sheets from one tab, and you do not need to go on each sheet to make changes. In the top, you have options to change basic important information that is carried in each sheet, like project name, address, number, and status. You can edit here and it will be changed in all the sheets. You can renumber your sheet or resequence the sheets from here. You have the option of find and replace also. You can generate a drawing list as well, which will be placed under the schedules tab. You can export the combined or individual PDFs of selected drawing. You just select the sheets you want to export. Browse to select the folder, then click Export Selected. And just like that, the PDF is exported with the selected sheets. The fourth tool is Auto Tag tool. In the first section, you can choose to tag door, windows, and walls with or without the leader. The default leader length is 8 mm. You can change it to your liking. In the second section, you can choose to tag the rooms. You have the option to ignore the areas which are less than a certain number so that the narrow spaces like shafts can be avoided. Choose the room tag family. Schedule generator is selected by default. You can uncheck the box if not required. Then press run automation. And just like that, the tagging is done for your drawing. The next most helpful tool is the room sheet generator tool. You select the single room or multiple room you want interior drawings done for. I am showing only for one room in this example. You select the view template for each plan and room elevations. It has a preview tab as well which shows your sheet compositions. You can make adjustments to those. Be careful while doing so. It has a glitch. If you click on the white portion, the screen freezes. You have to go again to the Revit as I did. You can then select the sheet title. You have the options to compose all the views in one sheet or create separate sheets for elevation or all views in separate sheets. Then press generate sheets and you are done. I will show you the other options of sheet strategy as well. This is when you create two separate sheets for plans and elevations. And then at last, all views in separate sheets. This tool works like magic. The sixth tool is Auto Dimension tool for grids and walls. You check the dimension grid, select the dimension style. Offset distance is set to 2 feet. You can change this to your liking. Then press place dimension and your grid dimensioning is done. As easy as that. Now let us use this for dimensioning the walls as well. You tick the dimensioning selected walls, select the dimension style and then place dimension. Now you have two options. First is to select the walls you want your dimensioning on. For example, I only want to dimension the exterior walls, so I select the walls and press finish and boom, dimensioning is done. The second way is to make a selection of all the walls and press finish, and just like that, the dimensioning is done. The next tool is Stair Sheet Generator. This tool is not perfect, but it eases our work. You select the sheet type. You can choose the view template if you want. Select the levels. Select the scale for plans and sections. Then select the staircase and you are done. The composition of this tool is not perfect due to overcomplicated geometry of this particular staircase and staircases in general. Ideally, this tool creates two sections, one along the flight, second along the landing. You might need to adjust the section line as per the design. But with few adjustments, your sheet will be ready. Let us look at the last tool of the plugin, that is wall section tool. First, you choose the sheet type. You can set the sheet number and sheet name. You can even choose the view template if you have. I will not choose for this demonstration. Then click the draw line and generate option. It will create a key plan, a section, a part elevation, a 3D axonometric sectional view. You click on the outside first and then inside. The position of these two clicks will determine the part elevation location and length of your section. Please note, the composition of this tool is not perfect yet because it runs a very complicated math to compose the sheet. So you might need to adjust the viewports a little. But still, it saves you a lot of time and headache to make the new viewports in just few clicks. Open this link in any browser except the Microsoft Edge. I do not know, there is some issues with Microsoft Edge. So this page will be displayed if you follow the link. Here you can select the monthly or yearly subscription plan. Please note, it is free for 7 days. It is priced Rs 2000 per month or 20,000 per year. You can cancel or update your subscription plan anytime. Then press subscribe. You can put a discount code here if you have any. Then on the right, you will need to provide your email ID, your name and the country you are from. Please note, the payment will not be deducted for first 7 days. After that, you will come to this window from where you can download the setup of plugin. You will receive an email also for the installer and the key, which will open the same page. Download the plugin. Double click to install. That's it. Now open Revit. Click Always Load. When you open any file, you will see ArchiCode Suite on the top tab. Please make sure you are connected to internet, or else the plugin might not work. If you click on any tool, it will ask for license key, which is there in your email as well as on the Gumroad page. Just copy and paste that, and you can start using the plugin. You can change or cancel your subscription plan anytime, like shown. Even if you cancel the subscription, the tool you can access till the end of your bill cycle. For example, till 7 days. In this case, which is free trial period. This is just the beginning. I'm going to add more tools to this plugin. If you want more updates on this plugin, follow and subscribe my YouTube channel and Instagram page. Do not forget to share it with your friends and colleagues.